Is your Windows laptop suddenly slow, laggy, or taking forever to open apps? Before you buy a new laptop, try these 5 quick fixes. They can make a surprisingly big difference, and they take about 5 minutes. Step 1. Disable startup apps. First, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps and look for programs you don't need launching every time Windows starts. Right-click the unnecessary ones and select Disabled. This means fewer apps fighting for your RAM the moment you turn on your PC. Step 2. Delete temporary files. Now press Windows plus R, type %temp, and hit Enter. Select everything with Ctrl-A, then delete it. Don't worry if some files refuse to delete, those are probably being used by Windows. Step 3. Free up storage. Open Windows Settings and go to System, Storage, Temporary Files. Select the unnecessary temporary files and remove them. A nearly full drive can make Windows feel much slower, so try to keep some free space available. Step 4. Stop background apps. Open Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Look through the apps you never use and uninstall the unnecessary ones. Less useless software means fewer background processes eating your CPU and RAM. Finally, restart your laptop. Not just sleep, not hibernate, actually restart it. Windows gets a chance to clear temporary processes and start fresh. And that's it. 5 simple changes that can make your Windows laptop feel cleaner, faster, and more responsive without installing some random PC booster program. If your laptop is still painfully slow after this, the problem could be your RAM, hard drive, overheating, or aging hardware. So before spending money on a new laptop, try these fixes first.
And if you want more simple tech fixes that actually work, hit subscribe.